Hello children, welcome back to calculus. In this session we will do exercise 1.3. First question, prove that root 5 is irrational. This we can prove by the method of contradiction. So first we write proof. Assume that root 5 is rational. Therefore, root 5 can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0, and p, q are coprime. And what do you mean by coprime? Coprime means there exists no common factor other than 1. That is, p and q are coprime. That means p by q is in its lowest form. There exists no common factor between p and q other than 1. We know that 1 is a factor of every number. So, coprime means p and q are coprime. That means there exists no common factor between p and q. So, cross multiplying we can write p is equal to root 5 q. Then squaring, p square is equal to 5 q square, and which implies that p square is divisible by 5, which implies p is divisible by 5. Then let p is equal to 5c for some integer c. That is, p is divisible by 5. So, let p is equal to 5c for some integer c. Substituting p equal to 5c in p square equal to 5q square. That is, instead of p square, we can write 5c the whole square is equal to 5q square. That is, 5 square is 25. That is, 25c square is equal to 5q square. That is, 5 we can cancel on both sides. Here 5c square is equal to q square, which is q square is equal to 5c square, which implies q square is divisible by 5. That means q is divisible by 5. Here p is divisible by 5, here q is divisible by 5. But our assumption is p and q are coprime. That is contradictory to our assumption that p and q are coprime. That is contradictory to our assumption. That is contradictory to our assumption that p and q are coprime. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. That is, root 5 is irrational. Clear? Second question, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Here also, first assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Then 3 plus 2 root 5 can be written as p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0. Then 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p by q. That is, 2 root 5 is equal to p by q minus 3. Transposing this 3 to right side. So, here taking LCM q, then p minus 3q. Then root 5 is equal to 2 is multiplied here. Transposing here is division. P minus 3q divided by 2q. Dividing by 2, we get p minus 3q divided by 2q. Then since p are integers, p minus 3q divided by 2q is rational, and which implies root 5 is rational. But we know that root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. That is contradictory to our assumption. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Clear? Here we know that root 5 is irrational, but here p, q, 3, 2 all are integers. P minus 3q by 2q is a rational number, which implies here root 5 is equal to p minus 3q by 2q. That is root 5 is rational, but we know that root 5 is irrational. That is contradictory to our assumption. This is rational. So therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. The third question, prove that the following are irrationals. 3 questions are there, 1 by root 2, 7 root 5, 6 plus root 2. The same way we can prove these all are irrationals. Then first one, 1 by root 2. So here also first we write, assume that 1 by root 2 is rational. Then it is rational, so it can be written in the form p by q. Therefore 1 by root 2 is equal to p by q, where p and q are integers. Q not equal to 0, p and q are coprime. Coprime means we know that there exists no common factor between p and q other than 1. So here cross multiplying, q is equal to root 2p. Then squaring, q square is equal to 2p square, which implies q square is divisible by 2. That means q is also divisible by 2. Then let q is equal to 2c for some integer c. Q is divisible by 2. So let q is equal to 2c for some integer c. Substituting in, q square is equal to 2p square. Instead of q we can write 2c. That is 2c the whole square is equal to 2p square. That means 4c square is equal to 2p square. Cancelling 2 on both sides, 2c square is p square. That is p square is equal to 2c square, which implies that p square is divisible by 2. That means p is also divisible by 2. Here q is divisible by 2, here p is divisible by 2. That is contradictory. That is contradictory to our assumption. Our assumption that p and q are coprime. This coprime means there exists no common factor, but here we get there exists a common factor 2 between p and q. That is contradictory to our assumption that p and q are coprime. That is 1 by root 2 is irrational. Okay, then second question, 7 root 5. Here also first we write, assume that 7 root 5 is rational. Then it can be written in the form p by q. Therefore 7 root 5 is equal to p by q, where p and q are integers. Q not equal to 0. Then from here we can write root 5 is equal to P by 7Q. Here 7 is multiplying, so transposing to right side division, P by 7Q. Then since P, Q are integers, 7 also an integers, P by 7Q is rational, which implies root 5 is rational. This is rational, so root 5 is rational. But we know that root 5 is irrational. That is contradictory to our assumption. Contradictory to our assumption. Therefore, 7 root 5 is irrational. Third question, 6 plus root 2. Here assume that 6 plus root 2 is rational. Then 6 plus root 2 can be written as P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. That is, it is rational, so it can be written in the form P by Q. From here, root 2 is equal to P by Q minus 6. This 6 transposing to right side, it becomes minus. So, P by Q minus 6, then Q, LCM, here P minus 6Q. That is, root 2 is equal to P minus 6Q by Q. Then since P and Q are integers, P minus 6Q by Q is rational. Then this is rational, which implies root 2 is rational. This which implies root 2 is rational. But we know that root 2 is irrational. That is contradictory to our assumption. But we know that root 2 is irrational. That is, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Okay. Now this exercise is over. So by method of contradiction we can prove these are irrationals. Then I hope you understood these concepts, and then you practice by putting your own questions. Then it will become very easy. Next class we will continue. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.